this is going to be the video for week 15. Now the first two pages are converting between percents, decimals, and fractions. Right, and the steps for this, if we missed out on this, goes as the following. If we're trying to convert percent to decimal, right, so we'll kind of split up into two sections. Right, so this is section 1, right, converting percent to decimal. What we do is, and there's two ways to think about it. If we wanted to use just like our mental math skills here, say we're looking at the first example, and it's a 52.1%. Right, in order to turn something into a decimal, what we're doing is we always want to just divide the number by 100. Right, but using mental math skills, all this is really telling us to do is take this decimal spot and move it 2 spots to the left. Right, so for example, on this one, move 0.521. 0.521 is the same thing as 2.1%. Alright? And so another way to do this on the calculator is just type in this value, divided by 100, and you will reach this same answer. So it's all about dividing by 100 to convert a percent to a decimal. Alright, now if we're converting decimal to fraction, alright, this is one of just a skill that we need to be familiar with of how to properly utilize our calculators, whether we get an answer on like an ACT, and then maybe their multiple choice answer options are in fraction form. What we can always do is, right, if we type in the decimal. Alright, so once we have typed it in, if we hit on our calculator, alright, then we hit enter. That will successfully convert that decimal into a fraction. Alright, so those steps will help you cover week 15, page 1 and page 2. Alright, now here for the page 3 we have order of operations, which is our parentheses, our exponents, our multiplication and division, and our which is grouped together. Alright, so I advise people to take this one step at a time. So for example, if we are going to look at number 3 here, the first thing we want to check is, do I have any parentheses? And we do. You see we have one right here. So taking it one step at a time, I'm going to look at this portion of my answer first. Right, so 34 plus. Alright, but then that's all that page. Now, alright, now the next thing that we have up on our list is the exponent. So I'm going to have to do this 2 to the 5th power. Alright, now with this, it's not saying 2 times 5. It's saying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Or 2 multiplied by itself 5 times. So this is really saying do this. Alright, we need 5 2's multiplied by itself. Right, so 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 gives us a 32. So my next line will look like 46 times our 8 divided by our 2, and then we have to do plus a 30. Okay? Alright, so now in terms of our options right here, when we're looking at this multiplication, it wouldn't matter what step we did this in, but it might be easier. And then we have to do 4 times the 46. Right, and so that's 184. And all we have to do is add that 32 onto it. Alright, and once we add those two up, we get our final answer. 200. Alright. So another option, if we're ever in a jam, and we don't have time to maybe check it by hand or anything like that, is we can also go straight to our calculators for this. So say, for example, I'm looking at number 3 here. Alright, now I always encourage us to do it by hand first, and then double check it with the calculator. Our answers match up. Maybe we pushed the wrong button on the calculator. Maybe we accidentally missed a step here on our page. But what we can do is type it in just as it appears. So I have a 2. Now I need to raise it to the 5th power. That's going to be us using our exponent button here. So we have 2 to the 5th power. Right, and then we need to multiply by 5. So then we can close our parentheses. So far we have 2 to the 5th power in here, and then all of that multiplied by 5. And we don't have to worry about our calculator doing this operation first. 4 multiplied by 5. And we subtract a 24. Right? And we get a 136. Alright, which would be the same answer if we did it by hand. Because 2 to the 5th power. Minus 24. Alright, and so if we continue to take this by hand, we get a 160 minus a 24, which does give us that same answer of 136.